Oh my god. They're so cute. What? There's five. Five whole baby chickens. 5 whole baby chickens. And 1 mama chicken. They all follow her. The yellow one is lemon. The white one is ivory. The reddish one is scarlet. And I still have to name those 2 ones. And chicken. You got water and food. And they look very, very happy. So cute. And got something to play with. Sometimes there's a plum tree right above. But these chickens, the baby chickens, were only born yesterday. Only yesterday. They were born yesterday, so can't hold them yet, but I can show them. So cute. That one over there, it's gone now. Down right there behind the mama chicken, that is lemon. That was lemon. And that one right there, that is ivory. And where have they all gone? And that one there, that's scarlet. And I've still got to name that one and a mum chicken. Okay, that's all for this video. Yeah, they're so cute. Hopefully most of them survive. Bye.